Good afternoon, country people. We need time we plenty for Sita say we not rush down. We can wait for news for inside Equinox. Like I've been talking yesterday, I must say the other day, we not feature different so we don't work up for quarter. Since we move on small thing the way they happen inside country, so that we begin the talk for the way say time do we not yet to read how we never hear them inside Equinox. Of course, as how we never tell now, Equinox time for Tori in the common inside Douala, so we Equinox big house day. And today, so we get plenty other things them for the talk for this time for Tori, and think the way they happen inside Cameroon, think the way they happen outside Cameroon, think the way consent were held, and think the way consent were held. They did plenty. Today, so we go first of all take when I begin go for answer for Mungo Division for Sipalava for fight for COVID-19 coronavirus. Now that's the coronavirus. They outside because say that sick. It worry plenty. It still keep people them for Cameroon. It keep people them for white man country. And the number of people that way they show say they get the sick. There is that for plenty and plenty. So anytime and anything we will do now that's so koro. But that's all. We go first of all show now something we don't happen inside Tori house so you cannot see where the worry with plenty since morning time. Even when I see my eye the red since morning time. Plenty Tori day when she don't find when I come. Country people are welcome again. We start now with the Tori where they now inside Equinox Tori house today. See where they happen inside Equinox Tori house where we have the worry since morning time where in the make way we dey cry. We never stop for cry since morning time. Now our sister, now our colleague we no dey again. When I sabi fine, in the way we dey call am say Flora Zay, na person wey dey work with we, he dey work for Equinox TV, he dey work for radio, he dey talk for plenty program them inside here. 1 year yesterday, what happened? The show when I say di Ngondere when I see am so, he no see dey. Ngondere be there for work yesterday. Country people how when they see palava for the war, so not be say he don't go get accident for road, he go no. Now say we deal with Ngondere for work yesterday. He work even at this time, so at that time I can't talk with you now for here. I want come up for studio. I see Mrs. Savasi, I salute you, I talk with you, fine, he day fine. He come on run, go downstairs. So when I sabi our own house then for up, he go down, the jump, no be say, then be carry, he go down. He hold he bag, we don't finish, he work for radio, begin they go. We go shoot is there now for house, now for around 8:30 where they announce it they so Ngondere not dey. We not be the belief, me say will not be belief. Time we see message for phone, but true too so it don't go. In them na Flora Zay, we had the vex plenty, we dey cry plenty. Since morning time, any man they cry for him. When I go see program them, when I see faces them and all other side the way they ever do program. We dey start with the show and our people the way they do program with you for morning time for our radio. When I know say Ngondere, he be get plenty other thing the way they do. He be getting the black concept, black beauty for talk say Ngondere the inside Africa. May they know they move their skin, they change color for 1 billion white woman. He wants say if you dey black like you how you see and so may you remain so because your skin fine and so as an African woman. He begin to do so. If they work for radio, if they do TV program when I call them say this do slow Zenith for Equinox TV. Even for radio, when I never hear that woman program where they talk say vous êtes nous les dames for 9 o'clock. Now the woman, the voice will not be here even yesterday. But also you know they either yesterday for evening. We just start complaining also say Belém. They want to take you go to hospital run that. But I was showing a picture them for people them now people them now for Equinox. Now for their house that for that side for inside Douala 3, that side where you go towards after Lokbaba them that side where them people them some people them too for Equinox for morning time they go for day. They cry and cry. Imami too that day for floor. Imami they cry and cry. When I see Imami too, na person will be up on like he face look like he begin resemble you very well. People them come on for Equinox today. They enter for day. They cry with Imami. When I see that, when I know all the faces they run and grab they CJ them that way them come on for here. When they cry that so plenty. I don't cry for morning time today. Now why that way my voice dey so my voice not the ever day so you know who come out. See I didn't go there that time will be day small. We don't even reach for their house. Now papa that always they smile. Ngondere way, you know, get no problem with any man for inside Equinox. So all man they like he, man way not the way go talk say you don't ever talk hala or get problem quarrel with this girl when I call you when I see so what would they call you say Flora Zay. You always they smile all time they laugh all time when you they look some kind of way they say something to worry you. It will come ask you say what he ask me say for me are you okay? And so they ask for me plenty other people them they go try for see say may try for solve your problem but that's why you don't go. Mommy they cry. Mommy never stop. Papa they cry. Papa never stop. Equinox they cry. It never stop. Even plenty other people them. I be even get basic in them where they don't come enter for inside Equinox here today. for afternoon they can't deal with we for down here they cry. All people they run machine inside Douala, they say Equinox now the only hazard we know inside Cameroon if something happens, so we not feel leave them. They become there for it down here plenty, and of course now them that they for Flora Mata we will see them plenty. For Flora Mata we see plenty kine them where they even come there for front Equinox say they cry, they talk Asha for we. And the Asha don't they come even for Facebook and for social media. See they plenty. We don't know whether we go stop crying and which day. But cry the way. We go talk now. So Palava for cry again. Palava for cry. Do one a concern. SDF people they cry yesterday. We even join them because they talk for them. Say they are honorable but and we don't go. We don't know so what on happen for evening. The papa so na SDF member of parliament for Momo East constituency. We know he come out for that side for Batibo. He be one strong man way from the ever stand so the man they stand for a corner. One strong man for from the party. He too not be the sick. A serious thing. We even see just few weeks ago for inside Yaoundé where SDF Bishidon they make them Dongambe for look inside Palava for election inside Northwest and Southwest where it don't happen. Then they check sense whether all things will go correct. If Bishidon even for corner SDF national vice president or big man number 2 for SDF Ikona. He begin to look one year yesterday and say don't die. They call you say Honorable Joseph Bandam. Even time for we be there for National Assembly, we be there for big house for Yaoundé for that Dongambe them. He be been a national vice president for National Assembly. He in a big position to inside SDF party. And Bandam don't go. And of course when I know to say now one of Anglophone politician the way he don't suffer plenty too for the Palava inside Northwest and Southwest. He has for inside Batibo, they don't burn him. So rich today, they don't know who they don't burn him. He don't come out someday, the day will be even go Batibo for lookout Palava for election. Them attack you for road, shoot motorway be there inside, and plenty people they be get caught for their skin. But you know be get caught, he come out 1 year say don't die will be the talk Asha for SDF people. No say for evening at them took a join for talk Asha. Palava for die, we go na for die where concern coronavirus. The woman we na see am so na Cameroon nurse where he work for inside United States for America. The mommy, he don't try save plenty people their life for inside America, Palava for coronavirus. He be there for hospital, he no be talk say, okay, now when corona don't come, I will leave me hospital, go, she don't money in her inside house. He they work as nurse, now our sister for inside Cameroon that, but he be there in inside US. He they work as nurse, save plenty people them their lives. Work fine, as how people they talk for that side, saying a woman will be like he work plenty, he don't save plenty people their life. But time for you on where corona cashy, man no be fit save your life, man no be there for save you. He don't die na Palava for coronavirus that na Cameroon woman that we don't die for that side. They call you say na Agbo. So when we hear that name, we know say we Agbo they ever dey for inside Cameroon. Maybe na that side we it come out, or if you just get that name na get them. Palava for way mass inside Douala, we go na fast now. So how yesterday we be say waiting inside Cameroon, whether you did now for that side for Northwest, you did for Southwest, you did for Marwa, you did all side, any man became way mass. But except so inside Douala, people they don't hear that talking into them head. Why see mommy them inside this side for Douche Municipal for Douala, na big side where we ever go buy shoe them, all kind thing them dish not in the inside Douala, we go reach for the how when I be see that mommy them so they not even the way mass. We come out there reach for side for Adaido with the CCM so see mommy them for that side for Eco Public Daido. So one day they wear them but they don't even cover them up. Where they talk? Them see she don't come park, man they talk so you know even cover the thing. They talk with the plenty people them. So other one the lady part they talk their own saying a good thing, any man try for wear them. Plenty other one they talk say why they no wear them because they no get money for buy them. Plenty other reason the way people they talk for why they no wear them. The mommy don't try put it on so. Then so other one they talk say the one way they not get money for buy. Another one way they talk say it in a medical own for hospital. So the one way them now the one for clothes, the mommy they take like clothes for cover your nose. Say what the one you do now the kind one because now one way they feel afford because thing them hard plenty. They don't feel way that one way you get for change them after every 3 hours. We be working inside Douala plenty. Come out for that side for Douche Municipal when I see them so. See how people they pack them chocolate sardine myself so one day they see what lady part and so they not get them that thing for their nose. Where it be very risky. You know even if I see the mommy for corner so he they say it in them so you come by and for you talk with you in a ham. If you talk corona come on for a mob, enter for your own mob. If you get corona or if you talk he come on for your mob, enter for your own mob. So many people that know say they get for be very responsible. We will come on for that side, begin to go on a fast. Here the thing where the countryman talk on Palava for way mass inside Douala. We'll be seeing that inside I do. we the one say many countryman talk the palava how we corona don't affect them na bensikine or na man where they do okada inside Douala. We meet up with the for us for that though. Yet we talk for how we palava for corona. You don't enter between chop their own business for run machine inside Douala. As how they try for look we tell when I say with the palava for coronavirus, it don't affect activities. There plenty. It don't touch people them life plenty people that they waiting the way they do for first time. They know they see do them now because say we not day money not day people they know they see go for outside. When I even know say bad people they already close because say you know if you can open for afternoon when people they ever they come live or come banner for night. Even people that for basic in the sector that's so cry.
Don't die. Work don't die. We know work again. We only struggle and struggle. Work no day. How we government they talk say me they buy mask. It's fine. But the problem is the government give they talk so we don't buy mask. With the years the country they contribute 1,000 billion. So when they contribute 250 billion. Government give a contribute money, sing where they talk say they contribute money, me they contribute the money, buy mask, share them for people. Me they know they talk now for mob. Me they know they talk now for mob. You go to buy now so you go to buy say you go now how much? You come on, you know be able to work 2,000. You pay, you buy chop, buy water, pay house. You pay house, we pay house. We know to buy mask every day, mask D and 500. We go now.
To die or to contact the disease.
We don't already die. Escape now we don't die. We don't already die because if government be like we if we don't buy mask for protect protect the diseases, if we be like the civilian there, you know like population. Because with the years they contribute for some country, they know you contribute for here. Only they live now we will die.
He don't provoke. He holla. He say people they don't read that plenty. He even talk say make government leave people there. More na ye. That party man who wants to answer ye plenty. He see talk say make government leave people there.
The medicine no contaminate. For say me people no contaminate. The medicine no contaminate people. We must use money. If money no there, we no there. And another thing that say, will you come out also where you see with the workers now because of money? You go should buy chop stool. You know what chop stool? You know what chop stool? Me government contribute do something like government. Me if they like me they contribute money like the other country, the neighboring country. The Gabon don't contribute. Gabon they know they pay too. They know they pay like. But for Cameroon here would they pay all the government they never talk for more. Me know they give people tension. Now they think we have to talk. Me government know they give people tension. They know see I'm say the feel like we by buying mass contributing for the way we feel. She don't go house even 2 weeks. Music finish. Me they top up. Me will die. Me will die.
Now, brother Amanda inside door, say government leave people they made them die. They don't want to give them people their mask. But that's so when I sabi say with the 200 inside Douala, if you get mask, now your own health, how we were ngondere ask that question. So say where it is so that me say if government no give you, you could leave yourself make corona enter for your skin. When I sabi say with the one so it concern are you where you they die, you know they die go with some person. So first of all your health first before any other thing. Just try. We not say no easy. Palava two way people they know they wear masks as how we government be talk so. You know they not only inside Douala, but same inside Boya. When I see and so for Boya, some people they wear around. So one they know they wear another side for Moliko that for Boya. How we there to even come on pass for Moliko, go for that side them for Bokwango, even go reach for side they will call them Bunduma. So one they talk saying as good thing with government say they wear mask, but see them sitting on there they talk with the one so you know even wear the mask. So one day they wear them, so one they know wear them. Now for that side for Bongo Square there for Boya. So you see some people that with them, some people they talk say, oh, na good thing, or man for wear them, but so one they talk say with it, they never wear them because say they had them when they wear that thing for say make the breed not the commode. So one they talk say they not get money, all kind talk them. But self so even after Boya we see come enter the one so na big man where they call you say SGO for that side from Jan division we see the one so no be Boya na from Mundemba that SGO commode all the big people that they work out for instead street them for Mundemba talk say with you when I sabi Mundemba na side for Bakasi here. For when I no sabi the name Mundemba. So they come and say with it. All my way mask like me and my people them see all and it could people them they wear them. When I sabi say the SGO2, it will be very active since they started palaver for fight against COVID-19 or coronavirus. Men party so they try there for a chantier, they try for BHAS. Now that's what Mas Panova talk say no, be not only me one at the work for this chantier and not to put the thing for my nose. May any man put them, you even get for the put them so that you be used to, so that if you find yourself a place where people are there, you could ask yourself, well, it's something you know be correct. And when you realize this, you never put mask, you go put them now for your own good country people. We see that side for Boya. So even inside Boya, we come up for Boya mental intersocial side where they call and say Munya they so wait people they inside Munya too, they never she don't say me that government can buy masks or can buy them a bucket where they go put water begin wash hand. Now picking that inside Munya na Prince Molingo that is Molingo that Edward that he come out with the other people they inside Munya they say with it do in our village we will not go do always say me or do me Joe can do me government can do. We don't say we get for protect ourselves just like the way our own clothes, not the government they buy our own clothes. Now so we sick there for outside. If my people they not get water for inside Munya market when I sabi say Munya market now one of the biggest market that inside Boya too. If place not there for wash hand, people they enter one person enter with an inside Munya market, you know wash your hand, go touch this thing. When I sabi a woman they ever come out, so why they come out for that side for my 16, my 15 they go touch thing put them. You know buy them, touch thing put them, no buy them. Finally all man for inside Munya could get them. Now why that way they come out even with traditional council members them for inside Munya and or even Joe for inside that side for Boya the toxicity it be important say any man way but more even yet where they talk man they talk plenty for two way and not even sabi for talk.
Hand washing equipment.
Because I want to save humanity. Sometimes they talk say prevention will be better than cure. Before, no, some countries they don't get no case. But today they get 10,000 cases. So now for that night where I be inspired for safety. Now people they don't get forget some case. Talk less about say we start to think about isolation camp, treatments. So now I thought to make a try and donate this thing for my people then. But I be there amazed. So just the day where I come up with that initiative, I have already started execute them with the permission of the zero. The chairman of the traditional council, the permission of initiative where they don't start put some work. If you therefore get your own contribution, come up, give them because the more the bucket, the more the cleanup will do, the campaign will do, the better for all for you.
Now therefore, if I enter for market, it's just for wash your hand. We will make sure that subsequently we put it in for all the market junction there. So that man come for here, he wash your hand. During market time, Mr. for money before we want clothes, we want to sell for here, we take care for the water, we take care for the bucket. For EBD, some man can take them from the traditional council go keep her because you know the cheap for here. We at the back now, make crowd no people here. No people they come now one by one. Therefore, on our head.
Voilà, now Prince Molinge Edward dan are the friend them inside Boya. They don't even come out that big part of the day with them, even join them or enjoy them for say may they see say that thing don't be inside their town for play you feel wash your hand. When I sabi Munya find how people they have plenty for inside one house. And of course if they plenty too for inside that market and they know they wash their hand, coronavirus if it enter you go to kill man and kill them. Even Palava for say many people that when municipal authorities or administrative authorities they may begin to go sensitize their people. You know if they leave people then for that side for Andu, that side for Andu now for side for Donga Manton inside Northwest. Of course, due for mayor of Andu too, he come out with the council staff them, they work inside village, they start for that side for Ntumbo, they say they will continue go reach for Ntaba, come back for Andu, come back for all other villages, even go for be at them and any other place. And of course they una we do for here but way he mark we for here na sewity Joe talk the on sewity we won't come we know say he hard now for palava for buy mask how people they talk for buy for cover nose now so thing way I want give we now especially people the way they carry people Okada the way they carry highway crisis they now Okada they go carry people they inside Kumbu and do so they get for cover their mouth and nose and if they cover with the one way you could buy them after 2 hours you you know they not go fit be able for the buyer all the time so with the give in another one way when I feel use them again more na yet when me or talk
use them so this one we don't buy the one because you feel use them for several times if they bring that one way they tie them whether this thing you will use and throw it so we don't get money so this one we will give them for a chapa them and then also for transporters them people they get motor where they work at they go places them they will need them. We'll give them. So that at least maybe they will not take sick, then bring them for we, or maybe they know. How we go share this among Imam and the pastor, the moment I hear with, how we go share them? Just give a suggestion.
I think we just go by groups and churches, it will be easier.
Okay.
Na Abdul come from Bono that El Hash Abdul come from Bono when mayor for that side from do. You know they leave any part for Cameroon there, even for that side for Tombe too. Now some side we the day inside Coupe Maningo by division for side for Sagwest. So now no see the corona palava it be very serious. All side for Cameroon. The one so na Joe he come out with the people they work on for street for Tombe. Person we no get them they whip me. Person we no even get them they kill people them they whip them fine. Say you want give we corona? Why do you want to give us corona? Why they whip you fine? Even person where they push truck, you where they send Africa close to inside Tombe market or DT you more way the palava because see what they don't know who get them, they know the right corona for face. For say me man know say if he talk with you confidently where he no go for your house, me he had begin the beat say this so I don't take corona, have I taken corona? Me na say me wear a mask, me he say wear am. Man they talk whether ya speed the commode when I wish can air the commode they remain inside no see na kitu people that they work for day. Hey you, oh you, that man no you know where am he begin the travel run. The whole that man be wear na for yes. Na palava that way day for inside Tombe Coupe Maningo na even Joseph say begin work for day for all street them all corner them talk say with all man more way the palava even if they ask people they ask the question say that means say na so authority they give for the worker we came for our back they say we be small picking them we no know the importance for the way the palava for mask them or na say with when I even see serious thing you want it be na Tombe na Joe but now so me when I even see na out of Cameroon for some other country they call them say Guinea Conakry na the president self Alpha Condé the one a president Kitu Nkunkuma self for country live for Cameroon so if the country will be na Cameroon you go call him and say his excellency Paul Biya but now so na his excellency Alpha Condé na president for Guinea that he self come out so that man no see the palava serious he come out the worker for street for inside Conakry na that on Yaoundé that he the worker for they say wetin any man more wear am na either they talk with the people. He say any man more the palava we na more wear he say the worker na all para too but he begin worker even Shinshon the way they but they Shinshon man I just hope say you never take him for Guangzhou for Wuhan bring him for Guinea now Alpha Condé that president for Guinea they talk say this is a serious matter any man get for wear the palava for his face for say wetin if he get am make go remain for his skin time wey they show the symptoms them take it go put am for some treatment center or if the symptoms they not be serious they go quarantine you wetin mean by quarantine they go take you go put am for side wey wetin dem go dey come dey attend to you they give you small medicine dem until that thing can comot for your skin and person wey dey show serious symptom e need say they go with you for hospital may be so may not be say even before the symptom wan be because if you catch am today go stay at least 14 days before e start dey show say e dey so you get that thing also now if you get am you no even know you fit work give plenty other people dem before the one they even know say you get am they go take go you know the other people they don take go give plenty other people there so na only for cover nose cover more wey you dey talk e go comot remain na inside you we fit save ourselves from the palava balok palava sef balok stick say coronavirus whether I comot with am na so we go enter na inside announce them time don dey catch you plenty ma look time na so na 26 so get plenty other things dem but I no go do am because we get na 4 minutes so me read palava for announce them people the way they don lost na so we get the one way I go read am na for English na for Queen Elisa I country talk na some mami that the mami so they say they stay for Wututu na some village inside Boyam he don comot for house since and they no know say where he don go the mami so they call in Awa Florence Ade he don comot for house since and he dey 57 years so dem no even know say where they since they wey don comot for house on the 7th of this month wey we dey there so at about 3:30 for their own house for that side for Wututu they no know say where dey so I go read them begin give number the way any person wey don see the mami so fit contact the family through the number they married for Queen Elisa a country talk dem write say wetin the family of Tabu for Frido announces the disappearance of their mother by name Madam Awa Florence Ade. She is 57 years old and she was living in Wututu village in Boya subdivision that's in the southwest region of Cameroon. She's mentally sick. She left the house on Tuesday the 7th of April I think the 7th of April at about 3:30 p.m. and she is nowhere to be found. The family pleads with anybody that comes across her to call the telephone numbers at 677-67-1788, 677-67-1788 or 679-613338, 679-613338 or 672 8652 and 61 67328 65 and that is 52 and 61. Let me take the last number again, 672 8652 and 61. She was wearing a colored gown with the down in red, then white and black at the top. Now they close that way, they try to describe for big talk that when I already see the close, if any man see the mommy, may call the other number. The next announce, Madam Wafo. The next announce we'll get the announce them today plenty. Now some power they call it say Pa Tani Raphael, and of course the family talks they read the one for Manuel Macron in country talk. They say the pass so they don't come up for they don't find it for some inside road inside Douala. He the worker inside Douala don't know where they go. They want actually say name na Tani Raphael. He the 70 years old. And of course, he say his son, he picking the name na Simo Morel. So they don't talk now say with it. If you know how the party take he bring them for inside Equinox for Mobile Bonakwa inside Aqua. Or if you know if he bring it, you come first for day. We go see how we go connect you and for ça way that part they don't take it put them. So married how it day. Il a été trouvé et signalé à la radio Equinox un monsieur âgé d'environ de 70 ans. Le septentrion aurait été, le vieux aurait été retrouvé errant les rues de la cité économique Douala. Originaire de Babadjou, il se nommerait Tani Raphaël et sa fille Simon Morel. Radio Equinox prie les membres de sa famille, surtout personnes qui le reconnaîtraient, de bien vouloir se rapprocher du service commercial de la radio et télévision Equinox au mobile Bonakwa. Voilà. I'll try. So other one, the way the third announce for here, it then a palaver for some other mommy we don't lost. And the family they announce. Mo see na the mommy that they call in name na that is already in name na Lapa Pauline. Now the mommy that it is 73 years old. The family talk say he don't come up for us. They don't know how we don't come up go. It is so mommy you know the he had not the select fine. We don't know say na OH he had not the select fine. So it is yes small. The talk about the talk so pidgin. It is yes small country talk. It is that country talk correct. That Babaju na that country talk. Then the yes small French. So when you see you fit talk for you for Babaju or for pidgin. Or for French, if we hear you Simon, so I read them how the family don't talk, or you know good, then if you call the number, I could read them. After I don't try for reading for French. La famille Chouyemeli de Babadjou, Bouddha déclare la disparition de sa maman âgée de 73 ans, le nommé Lapa Pauline. S'exprime en Babadjou, en pidgin et un peu en français. Au moment de sa disparition, le jeudi 9 avril 2020, maman Lapa Pauline était vêtue d'une kaba fleurie et un kaba fleuri. Maman Lapa Pauline souffre de la maladie d'Alzheimer. Donc elle perd souvent sa mémoire. Toute personne qui l'hébergerait ou apprécierait maman Lapa Pauline est priée de bien vouloir contacter le numéro suivant. Les numéros sont les 681 63 15 17 681 63 15 17 ou 697 70 39 56. Contre forte recompense. That means them could give you something if you bring down mommy for inside Douala. We'll take the last announcement now so that I know I don't finish the palaver. some last announce it be na the other 2 people begin the way they don't lost na their mommy they announce it they don't lost na floor and some other boy too wey they call the name na Didoko. How una go see them for inside picture them so they don't lost soon na the family they announce it so they don't come out for her since they don't know how they don't come out go they look them since they way they don't go they know they see them. Now if we figure picture them for that 2 people them now some girl and some boy them 2 so way the family they talk say they don't lost the picture they there for the machine. If you show the picture so that might take country people the thing way it don't really happen because before they know they see them again. The name then are Floor and some other boy we either 15 years. We know they see the picture them, but as how they explain so yes, now the picture that now Floor that now the young girl that and now the young man that too they with you for Conam. And Monsieur Nguyen Djemba Emmanuel annonce la disparition de sa nièce Didoko Dibomen Flore, âgée de 36 ans, et de son fils Wopa Djemba Aurel, âgé de 15 ans. Monsieur Diboko Dibome, Mademoiselle Dipoko Dibome Flore serait sortie accompagnée de son neveu Wofa pour un petit balade et depuis ce jour, ils ne sont pas retournés au domicile familial 6 au Bonateke dimanche le 5 avril 2020 aux environs de 19h. Monsieur Nguyen Djemba prie toute personne qui reconnaîtrait ses enfants de le bien vouloir contacter au numéro suivant 691 10 52 31 691 10 52 52 31 ou le numéro 699 92 63 76 en 96. Et je reprends le numéro 699 92 63 96 ou encore le rapprocher de la radio Equinox 6 au mobile Bonapama. Voilà. I don't finish my own for today. Country people, we thank una plenty. We don't try to finish things that happen today. But may we not remain begin to pray to for we. May we pray to for ourselves. Say may God guide we for Palava Koro. May not catch you. Tomorrow I'll be newspaper them. Today I'll be the area and not put an inside news file. So tomorrow we'll go see plenty other newspaper them. Think the way they talk inside country. We'll hold them tight. Bye bye.